Hello everybody. In this video we are going to see how to configure a Blynk website and Blynk app for IoT type of projects. So in this project we are going to glow an LED which is connected to the ESP8266 through website and a Blynk app. So once you open the browser, please type the Blynk app, Blynk website. Here you can see the link for the website. Type it, then log in. If you don't have username and password, sign up and create your own username and password. Then after getting the username and password, then log in into the website. After that, you will be logging it and you get a email and your password. Then once you click the login, your web page will be look like this. The page how the new type of Blynk website will look like. So here we are going to start the new project. First of all, click the device label which is on the left hand side of the browser. So after clicking the device label, so your window will be look like this. So since there are 3 listed projects is there, it is already created. Now we are going to create a new one. So after clicking the device, and the right hand side topmost corner we have a green colored label. Click that one, new device. So after clicking, so it will pop up a new window. So there you can create a new one, or you can take it from the template, or you can give a manual entry. So since we are new to this, we are creating a new project. So we'll click over the create new. After clicking create new, so the window will be appear like this. In this, in the text box, you can type the own name of your project. You can type any name of your project. So here in this project I used IoT LED interface as a name. So you can type any of your name. After typing, you have to choose what kind of project you have to do. So here I am going to use IoT kind of project using the Wi-Fi protocol. So that's why it shows a blink and LED with ESP32 with Wi-Fi provisional and OTA. So this section I want to select. After selecting, so the window will be look like this. Then you can see a left hand side label that it shows a developer zone. So click the developer zone. After clicking the developer zone, so the window now appears in this format. Since I already have the 3 projects already, so don't expect the same thing in your own browser. So now you are going to create a new template for this. So the right hand side there is a green label. Once again click the new template. After clicking the new template, the same name you type. What are the name you give there? Give the same name here also. So I gave the name as IoT LED interface. So after creating, so you see the hardware. There is some listed of hardwares will be shown here, ESP32, ESP8266. So this kind of hardwares will be displayed. Since I have ESP8266, so I selected that one. Then connection type I am going to use Wi-Fi. Then click done. After creating done, so your window will look like this. So this is the way how your window look like this after you are creating done. Now you select the data stream from that. Select the data stream from that. The developer zone, under developer zone your window will be like this. So you select a data stream. In data stream you click it, then the green label once again plus symbol it shows, select a new data stream. After that, since I am going to interface a digital pin of ESP8266, that digital pin I am going to access it. So I am selecting the digital pin. So this is the ESP826 board will look like. So here that GPIO indicates a different input and output, digital input outputs. Since I am going to use one of the pin in this, that pin I am going to choose here. So users can check the pinout details from the net or any of the books. Okay, so this is the way you can access any of the pins here. So here I am going to use digital pin 4. So here digital pin 4 is my output. So I type here after selecting the data stream, a digital pin data stream it will open. So it will by default it will show digital pin 0. So I choose an digital 4 because digital pin GPIO is for D2 pin. So you can refer once again the pinout details of the ESP8266. Then you modify all the things. So I am going to, as I already told you, the digital pin is nothing but the output here. That means I am going to an LED connect. I am going to connect an LED in the pin D2 because D2 is nothing but your GPIO 4. Now click create. After selecting this, click create. See why I am choosing output because LED is an output. After this, it will be create like this. Once you see this kind of window, press the save button. Don't forget to click the save button. Then go to the web dashboard. This is the main thing how I am going to connect my ESP8266 through the browser. Okay, so click the web browser here. So this web browser, after selecting it, you just going to create a switch over here. So there is a number of gadgets will be there. So I am going to use a switch here. So drag and drop. So I am going to configure the switch. So select the settings, click the setting button. After clicking, so your window will look like this. So here you can rename the title. I renamed as LED switch. Then select the data stream. Data stream we already gave as what pin number GPIO pin number 4. Okay, so the same thing will appear here. You select it. Suppose if you want to configure other things like show on off labels, hide widget name, anything you want to do it, you can do it. Otherwise, leave as it is. So in right hand side, what are the name you gave the title that will be appear in the right hand side. Then once again press. Now you can see the switches in your web dashboard. Next, after clicking this is the main part you have to see. You can see what are the things you done here. You first configure the template initially, then you set up the data stream, and then you set up the web dashboard. These three things we done it here. Now we are going to add the project in this. So for this, please click the add first device here. Click this add first device. This is very important. After clicking, your window will be like this. So what are the name you gave there? The same name you give here. So the name what I gave is IoT LED interface. I selected that one. Create. After creating, the right hand side topmost corner, the new devices will be created for corresponding new Blynk template ID, then new template name, then your token, authentication token will be created. So this thing you are going to put it in the Arduino program, and then you are going to compile and see how it is connected. So this thing is very important while connecting the hardware with your web browser. Now I will going to pass a small part for the web browsing section. We are going to do the hardware section now. So in this hardware section, you connect your ESP8266 through your USB port. After connecting, you check it out whether your hardware is connected in the device manager. So go to the device manager and check it out. Your COM port is connected. Here, as per my requirement, my COM port is COM4 is selected used right here. Okay, so check your if it is not there, so please install a suitable driver and then use it. Now after that, once your device is identified, you go to Arduino compiler, open the Arduino compiler. There I am going to configure the initial basic things to connect my ESP8266 in the Arduino software. So for this, go to tools, then select the board. In this board, go to board manager. Then you can see COM port 4 is connected here. You can see in the COM port section. Then if you go to the board manager, it will show that whether ESP is installed here. So type your ESP here. Here I typed ESP. So here, since it is already installed in my laptop, so here it is already installed. So I no need to reinstall once again. So if it is not installed, please click the update or install button. So it will be installed automatically in your, so wait for few seconds. After installing, then it automatically updated in your Arduino compiler. Then once it is installed, now we are going to connect this Arduino with your ESP8266 board. So for that, so here in the label, text label is select here, there you choose COM port 4, there after selecting your window will be like this. So here this is for three things it will show. It is a NOD MCU. These things you can see in the back side of your ESP8266 board or ESP32 board. Since I am using ESP8266 board, so in this the back side you can see this what type of model here. So I used NOD MCU 0.9 model. So I will select that. So you can right hand side you can see that COM4 port here. Then press OK. Now after this configuration is over, that is selecting the COM port and then setting what type of board this thing in Arduino compiler. Now the next thing, very important thing, you have to do it, you have to include the library. So for that, go to the file, and this thing is very important. These things you can get it through the online. So the important packages, what are the package supports for ESP8266, that will be available here. So the additional packages will be there in that website. So go to the any of the Google browser, you choose it and copy paste over here. So here you can see that additional board manager. So after this, this is my ready-made program. So this program is, it is easily available in your net, or you can select from your Blynk app, or you can write it by your own. So but these things are by default. This thing you can do it even in the Arduino sections also. But these are very important before you are going to handle Blynk website and web browser and your web app, Blynk app. So these things it is mandatory. So this is the thing what we seen in the web dashboard. So that thing, the same thing you have to copy. So you can compare this one and the web dashboard what I shown earlier. Copy the same thing and paste it over here. So this thing is very important before you are going to write or type the program in your Arduino compiler. So this everything is very important, and please be careful about the program. So everything is mismatched, the program will not run at all, The next thing, and this is the next one, SSID and password. So this is the SSID, it is nothing but your Wi-Fi username and Wi-Fi password. So please try to avoid local username and password, because sometimes if you use your local username password, sometimes it will not work at all. So better you can use your a global Wi-Fi username and password. Probably you can take it from the hotspot of your mobile phone, or something which is easily accessible. That means no firewall in that. So try to use a free firewall username and password. So that only it will be easily accessible. Otherwise, the device will not detect. So very important. So once it is enabled, that enable thing will be shown in your, if you are using phone and using hotspot, so that you can see the connectivity between your phone and your ESP8266. So please copy paste this program. So I paste this program here. Then I am going to do the upload. So here you can see in the dashboard web developer zone, whatever the thing I created, I can see the developer zone. So this is the thing what I done here. This is the thing. So initially I shown 3 projects. So this is the new project I created here using the developer zone. So you can see that by clicking my template here, so I can see the my project created. So now you can see after creating this is the device, one device is connected, you can see this one. So you can see this is in an offline. This will be enabled only after you are download the program in ESP8266. So this is also looks in offline. You can see this one. This is also in offline. So now what I am going to do? Now what are the program I uploaded wrote in the Arduino compiler, so that you can upload using this side arrow mark. Then this is compiling and it is uploaded. So after uploaded, if you are a proper Wi-Fi connection, and then this will surely it will show like this. Okay, this is very important part after you uploading the program, proper program. Then now you can see, and that offline is changed into online. So once this is okay, so now there is a connectivity is already made between your web and your 8266. So initially you configure for the web page, and then later you configure your Arduino compiler with using your ESP8266 port. So the same procedure can be followed for ESP32 also, but choose ESP32 instead of 8266. So now you can see the thing is running here. So I made this switch on the board which is shown in the right hand side. It is running here. Okay, the LED will be glow automatically. So you can see the video. So there's LED. I made it on. Now it is on. So now the web base is connected to your hardware. So this is once again done the same thing here. So this is the next part, which is I'm going to connect my mobile phone to the web browser and with my 826. So first you can download the Blynk app through your Play Store. After downloaded, please create your own login. Then after creating, so whatever the you try to create is with the same password and username. So whatever you have the project you created in that web dashboard, so the same thing will be here also. So you can see that whatever the projects I created, it shows in my Blynk app. So this is the new project what I created. This is automatically created here. There's no need to create new things. So automatically once you log in with the same username password of Blynk app, Blynk website, that will be automatically comes here. So once it comes, you click this one. The next page it will look like this. This is all thing will come in your phone. Then after clicking, this will show that this is the file name what I gave, IoT LED interface. Then you press this plus button. After pressing the plus button, it will show the widget box. This widget box press the button, because I'm going to interface using button only through the 8266. So after selecting, it will show the another window like this. So now it's switches is created, but still I'm not made the connection between my website and my phone. So this is still created. Once again, just click over here, then your window will be like this, off button. Then you choose choose data stream, press this choose data stream. So whatever I configured in the Blynk website, the same thing will come here also. So since I used digital pin 4, so you press the plus button, it will show the digital pin 4. I selected here and it will come automatically here. Then now the D4 I used now, so the same, instead of off, it will show the D4 here. Then you close the side arrow mark. Here you can close it here. Close once you closed all the things, then you come to it will come to the main page. So your main page will be look like this. So after coming to main page, if you press the button, so the connectivity is made already. So that you could not able to see, because once you configure properly, automatically the connection will be made. So then you come to your main page. Then you can see the where if it is LED is already on, it will show in green color. If LED is off, it will go in the white color. So okay, how it will look like. So thank you for watching. So this kind of IoT projects for different works, it will be posted one by one. Thank you for watching.